Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Brightwell account to your bank account. First, open the Navigator app or website. Once you're logged in, go to Pay and choose either On-Demand Pay or Direct Pay. For this example, let's choose Bank On Demand. Next, enter the CPEN details provided to you. Then select your exchange provider. You'll also see the exchange rate and how much the beneficiary will receive. After reviewing the details, click Select to confirm. Your transfer should process within a few seconds. And that's it. That's how you can easily transfer money from Brightwell to your bank account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.